Mommy, good morning. Praso banana aja. So ayan guys, ang kakainin natin ngayon is this is mori kichi, which is maltni dal and then rice. Tapos binigyan lang natin siya ng tubig, salt, and turmeric powder. And right over here we'll be cooking dudi bata kanusak, which is upo na may kasamang patatas. So we will be showing you how it will be made. So ayan, buksan natin ang kalan and maglagay tayo ng oil. So ayan guys, kailangan lang natin maglagay ng kaunting oil. Hayaan lang natin yan hanggang sa maging mainit yung oil. So ayan, maglalagay tayo ng giro, cumin seeds. Hayaan lang natin na maging brown yan. Then we'll be putting turmeric powder and chili powder. And here, or asafetida. And then ilalagay na natin yung dudi bataka natin, which is upo and potato. Pagkatapos na maglagay tayo ng chili powder, water. Very appetizing.
पानी बहुत नहीं दे रहा है।
Wag daw natin lagyan ng napakaraming water guys.
वो छोड़ रहा है।
Tapos takpan natin.
किलो छूटे।
Euche. So wag daw natin lagyan ng napakaraming oil guys kasi magkakanda-lasog-lasog yung mga dudi or upo. So takpan lang natin siya and put it in a very low flame and hintayin natin hanggang sa lumambot siya. Bufalos. Ay, look at this one, very small.
हाँ?
Owe.
गुजराती बोलन था।
Apra Gujarat ne. Etle bole Gujarati. Ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa farm. Doc Milan. These are leftovers. Why they are not growing?
No, this one is growing because we are keeping the baby.
Ayan. Ay, oo nga. Napakalaki na ng mga baby root.
Look, this one cut already.
Oo.
Now this one is
Growing.
Yes. So next year we will harvest from here.
Next year, around what time?
Next year around May, April.
April, May?
March, April.
March, April, we'll harvest again.
Look.
Second harvest, no?
Yes, second. All the baby plant.
You cut a lot of leaves. You cut everything almost, oh. Kinat nila yung mga
This one is old already.
Kinat nila yung mga old bananas and they're now growing this one, no? And it's already big, no?
Now all the juice from this one will go inside and will grow into this.
Milan, what about the ones affected by the farm flood, the flood? Everything is finished, like loss on their part.
So much loss.
So guys, you remember last time there is a flood? So a lot of people were affected by it. Good thing our area is a little bit heighted.
We are in the mountain region, right?
We are on the mountain. So other people are near the river. So we are on the mountain part. So we did not get affected that much. Actually, not at all, no? Not at all. There's not
Only
even
the
a single flood.
Heavy raining caused property loss.
Like what?
Like the farm got washed up.
Okay, the way, no?
Yes.
So yun lang yung mga nasira, yung daanan.
The road that we made, it got washed up there. Look.
Ay, oo. Yes, I understand what you're trying to say.
See,
Yes.
it got washed up there.
Napunta dun yung mga road na, yung sand. I mean, the earth.
Yes.
The earth that you put,
Yeah, that got washed up.
napunta sa kabilang side. So, ayun yung naging damage sa farm. Milan, look, this one is damaged.
It doesn't matter now. You already harvested.
So, ito wala na to. Let's go to the papaya farm. I want to see. It's been a while since I last went to see the papaya farm. Wait. You know guys, the last time I came here, napakaliit pa ng mga papaya. Actually, meron na silang mga bunga. Pero hindi pa ready for harvest. But we have already harvest na Milan 2-3 times already. 2 times. We harvest papaya already for 2 times now. So, after 3-4 days, siguro mag-harvest ulit kami and hopefully ma-videohan ko kapag nag-harvest sila. Papakita ko yung mga papaya farm ng kabilang ano natin. Kabilang banana farm natin. Tingnan nyo. Malapit na kami guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan guys yung papaya farm natin. Wow! Very big already. You cannot even recognize anymore. Ito guys, oh, yung katabi na. Milan, how come this guy did not plant for a second time? Castor oil. Okay, yung katabing farm namin, hindi na siya nag-plant ng banana. Oh. Diba last time, magkatabi yan. Tapos yan yung sa amin, yung sa pinakadulo. So yung sa kanya, nag-plant siya ng castor oil guys. Hindi na siya magsa-second harvest ng banana kasi hindi masyado maganda yung tanim niya. Hindi katulad dun sa amin, very good quality siya and pang export quality yung tinanim ni Milan. So pwede siya for second harvest. Ngayon, yung ongoing naman na harvest namin is papaya. And after the papaya, mag-harvest na naman kami ng banana. So, salit-salitan lang. Where should I cross? Okay, I will come. Naka-open mo yung electricity. Baka makuryente. And medyo basa yung daan na guys. Medyo basa yung daan. And actually, matagal ko na talagang gustong pumunta dito sa papaya farm. Kaya lang, sobrang maulan. So, ngayon lang talaga kami nakapunta. And ngayon lang huminto yung ulan. Wow, ware ba?
This one will be ready to harvest.
Ready to harvest this one?
From lower part. No, it's not ready to harvest. It will be ready to harvest it.
After 2-3 days?
No. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
But there is many which is ready to harvest.
Where is it?
There is silence.
You know, Milan, when I came here in India, I had interest when it comes to farming. Because it's good seeing papaya, it's good seeing banana. Natatandaan nyo ba guys yung napakaliliit? Ay, this one is destroyed oh. Circle. Not good. This one is good. Yellow one. Ah, look at this one. It's ruined. Ayan guys, sirata oh. Ah. Ready to harvest. Okay, papakita natin sa inyo yung ready to harvest guys. Medyo magdahan-dahan lang tayo kasi sobrang maputik. Eh, napakalalaki na oh. Very big already, Milan, ha? Let me see. Ayan, nakikita ko na. I can see the one that is ready to harvest.
Can you see this yellow strapping?
Ah, yes, I can see.
Can see?
So that's the sign that it's ready for harvest.
Yes. Yellow strapping. It's not still after 3 days it will be ready.
So how many things do you
look?
How many months do you think we will harvest after 3 days? Yan na guys. Naghihitik-hitik sa bunga.
I will show you the proper one. Like this is proper.
So sa taas guys, meron pa siyang
The more you harvest
flower.
from down, more it will come from up.
But ours is not that down, no? Other people starts from here. They started having plants from here, but look at ours. Very tall already before it starts producing papaya.
That is good. Once it starts producing here, it's very good.
But yung sa atin, no, matataas na bago sila nag-produce ng mga papaya. So, ayun guys, puntahan natin yung ibang farm natin, yung banana farm na bagong tinanim ni na father-in-law and Milan. Puntahan natin. So, mag-bike muna tayo, baka tuluyan na namang umulan. No, Milan? It might rain again. So, we have to hurry. Tara guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa mango farm guys. And meron pala kaming tinanim na cotton dito. How come we planted cotton, Milan?
Mango.
In between there's cotton. Ayan oh.
Everything I will show you. Look, this flower. This flower it will open. Then it will get male plants. Now, what do you call? Sperm.
What sperm? What are you saying?
I don't know. And then it will close and become something like this.
This one is the final product.
No. Look, see?
Okay. That is the end product.
No.
Oh, this one.
Then that will grow and become like this.
Big one.
Yes.
Okay.
And then it will open up. And then inside of
Cotton.
that it will be cotton. So you can harvest cotton when it's totally open, and cotton can be seen outside. So if you open it, I don't have that.
It's okay, don't throw in one cotton.
Doesn't matter.
Let me see. This is cotton.
This is not cotton.
Papakita namin sa'yo guys. Very effort talaga si Doc Milana. Effort naman Doc, just to show them. You're gonna open it. Wala kasi kaming pang open. Pero ayan, ganyan yung ginawa nila sa mango farm.
If you open,
that's cotton.
See? It will still become rough. It still have water inside.
How many months did you plant this already?
3 months.
3 months already. And how many? 6 months before it gets harvest?
No, it will continue for I think 6 months.
6 months. Another 6 months. So 9 months in total.
And then it still have water, but it will not have water later on.
It will be dried up.
Yes.
So ganyan yung cotton pala guys. So this cotton lasts for 9 months before harvest.
No.
6 months only.
7-8 months.
3 months. So harvest na natin. It's expensive, cotton.
No. Cheap.
Very cheap, but we
Not
don't have
proper
any use.
farming.
But we don't have any use of
You
the
cannot
land.
plant papaya and banana in here.
But you can
That's why.
plant ringar, sakbaji,
No,
vegetables.
This one.
So mas maganda palang itanim yung cotton, guys, kaysa sa mga vegetables. Oh, Milan, what about the What about the castor oil?
No. Better than castor oil.
Cotton is better than castor oil pala. It's much more expensive. Tara guys, punta tayo dun sa ibang mga farm and bisitahin natin sila since hindi masyadong hindi makulimlim. Kanina sobrang lakas ng ulan din. How come our weather is like this? Sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's sunny. Why it's like that? Look. Naririnig niyo ba? There's thunderstorm.
Because it's last month of rainy season.
So it's moody, no?
Moody.
Weather is moody.
Yes. Last month of
Ngayon kumukulog na naman, guys. There's thunderstorm. So bisitahin natin yung ibang farm bago tuluyan ng umulan. It's very scary in here. Look, why they're not cleaning this, Milan? Who owns this? That's why no one is cleaning and taking care. Punta tayo sa ibang farm. Guys, hindi ko na naipakita sa inyo nung nagpunta kami sa Small Banana Farm. Next time ko na lang ipapakita yun kapag nagpunta kami ulit ni Milan sa bukid. Kasi pinauwi na rin kami ni mother-in-law ng maaga kasi nga kailangan ko pa magluto ng pagkain. And ngayon tapos na nga akong mag-dinner, tapos na kaming kumain. And kanina nabigla nga ako sa sinabi ni Milan dahil nga daw dun sa flood. Kung nanonood nga kayo sa mga vlogs namin, siguro alam nyo na merong malakas na ulan na nangyari dito sa lugar namin. So, ang nangyari kasi, hindi nila inalis yung tubig dun sa dam and inipon nila. So, dahil naipon yung tubig sa dam, nung sobrang lakas ng ulan, napuno nga yung dam. So, kailangan nilang mag-release ng tubig. And yung tubig napunta sa mga baryo-baryo. So, marami sa mga baryo dito or mga barangay, lumubog talaga guys, and ang daming mga nasirang pananim. So, meron nga kaming kamag-anak, meron nasirang 3 million rupees worth of bananas kasi hindi nila hinarvest. And dahil yung harvest kasi ng banana guys, depende sa'yo. Pwede mong hindi mo na i-harvest yung banana mo and hintayin mo na tumaas yung presyo. So, yung taong yon is, hinihintay niya nga na tumaas muna yung presyo ng banana kasi hindi pa naman nasisira yung mga banana niya and pwede pang i-extend yung time. So, hindi niya ina-expect na tataas ng ganun yung tubig and hindi nila ina-expect na maiipon ng ganun yung tubig dun sa dam. So, nung inopen nila ng isang bagsakan, lumubog talaga yung buong banana farm guys and nawala yung lahat ng 1.5 years of hard work. So, nagkaroon siya ng lugi ng 3 million. So, galit na galit sila sa mga sa mga kinauukulan talaga. So, ayun. Ano ba sasabihin ko dito? Yung sa lugar kasi namin, medyo mataas yung lugar namin dito and party kami ng mountainside. Yung mga nalubugan and nagkaroon ng napakataas na flood, party sila nung riverside. So, walang masyadong naging loss dito sa part namin. Pero yung ibang mga kamag-anak namin, napakaraming loss. Alam nyo ba yung Danpor na madalas naming pinupuntahan? Sobrang lumubog din yung tubig doon, guys. And yung farm ni na lolo and mama, nilash mama, yung mga vegetables nila doon, na wash out din. So, good thing hindi naman masyadong malaki yung naging loss nila. Pero yung isang kamag-anak talaga natin, guys, milyon-milyon yung nawala sa kanya dahil hindi nga siya nag-harvest noong mga panahon na pwede nang i-harvest yung mga banana niya. And yung iba, nag-start na rin magtanim ng mga maliliit. Kaya na lang yung ginawa namin dun sa isang farm namin. So, maliliit na yung mga plantation and hundreds of thousands of rupees na yung na-invest nila and na-wash out ng flood. So, ayun, hindi naman kasi natin makokontrol yung, diba, yung ulan. Pero merong pagkakamali yung pagsa-stock up ng tubig dun sa dam. Kaya, sobrang laki ng flood. So, ayun. Ayun lang. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga videos natin. And kapag mag-harvest kami ng papaya, gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Kasi maging ako, hindi ko pa nakita kung paano sila mag-harvest ng papaya dito. And it's my first time na makita. So, i-share ko yung experience ko sa inyo. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.